back to my channel. I'm Preitty and I make makeup related videos. Today is Eid and I would like to wish you all happy Eid. Today I'm gonna create this look, which is a Eid special look, and if you like my look, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. I'm starting up with Nayarr face oil and massaging it all over my face. Next step, I'm using this vitamin C serum, applying it all over affected areas. I'm starting up with the brows. For this I'm using Wet n Wild brow kit. Firstly, I'm using this light brown shade and applying all over my brows, filling in. Next, I'm using this brow wax and will apply all over my done brow to set it. Now I'm using this Wet n Wild concealer and concealing my lids to create the heavy eye makeup we are about to do. As it is Eid, I will be using a lot of glitters and shimmer. I'm starting up with this black and applying it all over my outer corners and making a small V. Taking this red shade and making the crease line and blending both. Now I'm using this dark green shade and I'll apply over the black. This green shade I'll apply onto my middle lid. Now I'll blend everything and I'll take my time. So I'm taking this PAC pigment in 15. This is a golden shade. I'll apply it onto my inner lids and I'll blend everything. It will give very nice effect. As you can see, now I'm highlighting my brows and inner corner. I'm using this golden pressed glitter onto my centers. I'll be blending everything so it all looks in sync. I'm using this shimmer from Miniso and silver. Will be applying into my center of my lids. Now comes the tricky part, applying the eyeliner. I'm using this music flower eyeliner in black, creating a long wing this time and just applying the kohl from K Beauty. Now using this nude eye pencil from Wet n Wild. I'm also using this colossal turquoise liner. Now comes the best part. I'll be applying this eyelashes from Ardell in natural and lash grip. These lashes are very beautiful and look super natural and so good. Comes the face part. I'm using this LA Pro Conceal in orange. It is a corrector shade. This is the new. I'm using it for the first time and I'm really liking it. The way it is covering all the dark areas and giving a very smooth finish. The foundation is from Wet n Wild. Now blending everything with Beauty Blender. Highlighting under eye is must, so I'm highlighting under eyes. Now using NYX HD powder to just bake my face. Using contouring palette from Wet n Wild. Using this illuminator from TS Cosmetics and applying all the highlighted areas. And I will blend it with a brush. Now I'll be using this brick shimmer from Wet n Wild and I'll be applying over it. Now comes the best part, the blush. Super excited. I'm using this pink blush. Loving the brush though. I'm using this lip shade from Steak Walkie. It is a very good and vibrant hot pink shade. We are done. Using this Nayarr lip palette and applying the hot pink over it to give very satiny finish. We are done. I tried to apply bindi, but as I thought it's Eid, so I'll just take my shots and will remove it later on. I hope you like the look and you're liking my dress as I'm liking it. I love this color and I tried to do something different for you guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, this is the final Eid look. I hope you like the look, and if you like the look, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making a lot of such videos in future, and if you want to see all of them, do press the bell icon. And you can also follow me on my social media handles. All the links would be mentioned in the description box below.